Minsan, sadyang may mga bagay tayong tinitake for granted. Kadalasan ng mga bagay na to, nalalaman lang natin yung importansya ng pagmamalasay. Ito si Gail. Ito naman si Kai. Nagkita lang sila sa hallway. Pero, hindi natin alam. Nagkaroon ng spark eh. Naging mag-close friend. From strangers. Hindi natin alam kung ano pwedeng mangyari. Sa pag-aaral, sa kalokohan, at sa marami pang iba.
An ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds aglow, limousines to take you where you go.
Kailangan yun, alam mo nga, makasikat tayo, diba? Go. Anong try mo ang baliw? Ano ang bakit? Ano ang tama ba?
Kasi, tanga ka. Kami pa ngayon, kami tanga ka. Sino pa ngayon mga neighbors dito?
Kami pa mga neighbors na. Ano kayo? Bobo?
Sobra ka na.
You're the one who never lets me sleep through my mind.
Itong dalawang to, pinapainit-init ko eh.
Tama. Hindi nagkaya bang pagkakita ka lang yun. Kami ang gatsan na tabi.
Go.
Mga duwag naman pala yun. Nag-aalisan ka.
Mga duwag.
Ito na naman. Minsan talaga sa buhay natin, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo papanig eh. Sa kaibigan ba? O may taong mas espesyal pa?
Galing. Pero balak nyo yun. Tutukan. Parang medyo naglalagad naman. Alam nyo. Tutuloy mamaya. Mas maganda ang gato na lang pare. Kaya yung siya. Para kayo, pero mas maganda ang card. Pare mananalo yun. Hindi yun ito. In other words, pag nanalo sila, sa kanila kaya. In other words, yung the team, pupunta sa team. Pero pag nanalo kayo, sama sila. Pag nanalo yun, lalo yun. Kasi, tutukan mo man yan. Okay? Edu, lahat ka ba kayo? Dahil hindi na sabi naman kayo sa buhay. Ito, okay yun. Ano? Mamaya, bangan mo yun, ha? Sige, ano ba?
Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, may mga bagay tayong tinitake for granted. Minsan, nalaman natin yung wala na sila. Mga kaibigan, kasama, kahit kalaban, lahat sila may parte sa buhay natin. Maraming parte. Kung wala sila, hindi tayo magiging ganito.
Wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. I was broken, I was choking, I was lost, this song saved my life. I was bleeding, stopped believing, could've died, this song saved my life. I was down, I was drowning, but it came on just in time. This song saved my life. Sometimes I feel like you've known me forever. You always know how to make me feel better. Because of you, my dad and me are so much closer than we used to be. You're my escape when I'm stuck in a small town. I turn you up whenever I feel down. You let me know like no one else that it's okay to be myself. I was broken, I was choking, I was lost, this song saved my life. I was bleeding, stopped believing, could've died, this song saved my life. I was down, I was drowning, but it came on just in time. This song saved my life. You'll never know what it meant.